Now, many people who are interested in electric vehicles may well know that in the UK and the rest of the EU, that it's going to be mandatory for them to be fitted with a noise-making device at low speeds below 12 miles an hour, because they are very quiet when they're creeping around car parks and people don't notice that they're there. One solution to this is to beep your horn at people, but that's not very nice. People will jump out of their skin. So I have a solution, a very simple solution for this. I have an old wireless doorbell in the front of the front trunk, under the bonnet there, and if you just press the button here, it goes ding dong, and people will look round because they're not expecting to hear ding dong sounds in a car park, and they'll see the car coming, and then they'll get out of the way, and they haven't been shocked into jumping out of their skins by blasting them with a very loud two-tone horn. So all you need is, as I said, a wireless doorbell, and the signal is quite strong enough to reach from the inside of the car to get to the front. So it's difficult to hear it inside the car because it's got quite good sound deadening. But here is my wireless doorbell, and I use it with the button that was originally stuck on the front door of the house. And as you can see, it does make quite a loud noise, especially when it's open. But that's enough to make people notice that there's a car coming and step out of the way without scaring the living daylights out of them. Thank you for watching.